see the mic, see the mic, see the mic. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, you can see now I'm just outside the Toa Payoh gym. Today is the first day of the Chinese Lunar New Year. I am going to test I'm going to test my new sound recording solution for the Insta360 One R. It's using my phone and my headset, and then I will sync at the end of the whole shoot. Take a look at how Singapore Toa Payoh looks like on the first day of the Chinese Lunar New Year. That is the HDB hub. In Singapore, if you want to buy a public housing, you come here to do all the necessary things. A very normal looking but functional government building. Walking the overhead bridge. Not the best thing you want to do. Not the best thing everybody like to do. When the weather is hot and humid and you're wearing a mask. Now we can take a look again. This is the HDB hub building. And then of course we have courts. How can we forget that we have courts here? Okay. Where I'm going now would be inside the HDB hub building. This small cafeteria called Delifrance. For all of you who have known me since young, when I was in secondary school, I worked as a part-time worker in Delifrance. So I didn't like the coffee of Delifrance when I was young. It's bitter and sour. That's how I thought of it when I was young. But since I started to go to Japan on a regular basis, and I started to drink coffee in Japan, I started to really like all black coffee, as in coffee without milk and sugar, nothing else. And it's also good because it doesn't break my intermittent fasting if there's no milk and sugar in the coffee. And it keeps me awake. Okay. This is the HDB hub from this angle. I know that the guy that just walked past me must be thinking that I'm a maniac walking like this. Watch for traffic. Traffic in Singapore are relatively safe. See this person, don't know what he's doing. Don't know what he's doing. Okay. Thank you. And this is the HDB hub building. Hot and humid. Good. I'm glad it's inside the aircon building now. Actually walking around with a Insta360 One R. extended. Where there are many people walking around, they all think that there's something wrong with me. And then I have to wear all red. It's all the more eye-catching, but today is Lunar New Year, first day, right? So I have to wear all red. This is a small art piece that has been here since the opening of the HDB Hub building. Okay, we are reaching Delifrance. Actually, let's walk through this bus stop. So you guys can take a look at how the Singapore bus interchange looks like. This is the Delifrance on my right side. Oh no, hopefully there's still space for one. Yes, Delifrance, the HDB hub. That's the rest of the bus stop, bus interchange. Like I said, if you're a Singaporean, you want a public housing, you come here to buy a house. Now I'm going to Delifrance and look for a seat first. Okay, that's it. Simping.